Hey YouTube, Jedimon 2005 here with a review of this massive monstrosity, the DX Sound Capsule EX Gaia Memory Complete Selection thing. DX. It's the real shit right there. EX Capsule Complete Selection. It's everything all in one. Yes! So here's the outer box. It has the double logo, Claydoll, Terra, Taboo, Smilodon. Then on the back, oh goodness, Nasca, Weather, Red Nasca, and Utopia. So yeah, let's open this. It's got the museum logo like right here. Open this. And then we'll just slide it out of this box. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, now it's in this box with the, let me turn it this way, museum logo right there. Okay, this is fucking heavy. Okay. When we open it up, we have these stickers of the connector ports. Put that here. Put it on the back, and all inside there with it is like instructions and crap. Foam insert to protect them. And here we go. The bad boys themselves. 35 memories. All Dopant. All Sound Capsule. All DX. They came in little baggies with numbers and names on them, starting with Terror, number 1, all the way through number 35. Quetzalcoatlus, complete with wings. That thing was heavy, folks. Okay. Let's get started. So, first memory is Terror. Now, each of these has 2 sounds with a button push and then a button on here. They're all made. You can see Sound Capsule because it's got that split, like it was snapped together, except it was pre-done for us. Yay! So no sticker applying necessary. It's got the coloring of the one from the show and the bone design every which direction. So that's cool. So let's go ahead and get this on the show on the road. So it makes both of those noises and cycles back to Terror. And then when I stick in my arm, it does that. So let's get Taboo, the second one here. Sticker, bone design.
Taboo. Taboo.
There we go.
Taboo.
Stop. Alright, number 3, Claydoll. Wakanahime. So here we have Claydoll, sticker, it's all cool. It's really cool having all these, I love them so much. The design.
Claydoll. Claydoll.
Come on. Next is Nasca. Kirihiko butt for the win. Nasca.
Nasca.
Okay.
Nasca.
There we go. I just didn't hold it long enough like a tard. Smilodon. Miku. Look at that. Smilodon.
Smilodon. Smilodon.
Okay. And Weather. So we can see Weather is in the proper gray coloring.
Weather. Weather.
There we go. Okay. Masquerade is next. Okay.
Masquerade. Masquerade.
And then we come to the Dopant of the week one, so to speak. Magma. Look at that. Red and everything.
Magma.
Yeah, I'm not going to keep jabbing all these into me. It's going to take way too damn long. T-Rex.
T-Rex.
So, Luna Gel from Magi Ranger. Let's see, what's next? Oh, everyone's favorite. Money.
Money.
You can see the front and back. And they all have that Dopant, like brownish tinted tip. Anomalocaris.
Anomalocaris.
On the back. Next, the ever creepy Cockroach.
Cockroach.
Unfortunately, unlike with the Dopant, with the DX Dopant Memory, you can't make this one go cock, 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 yes, 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 yes for yesterday. And then Sweets is next.
Sweets.
Sweets in the back. Next is Virus.
Virus.
Alright. And we got Violence.
Violence.
Back of that one. Next is Arms. It can be like Abba Red.
Arms.
On the back. Then Bird.
Bird.
Back of the Bird memory. Ice Age.
Ice Age.
Like that movie. Ray Romano and Dennis Leary. John Leguizamo. And Triceratops. We can be Jasmine.
Triceratops.
Jasmine ma espades. And then Shuken Shinobi is a...
Liar.
That's right. And you can see these designs for the memories are so cool. I love the letter designs.
Puppeteer.
Puppeteer is next. And his creepy doll. Unlike Dr. Maki's doll, which is also creepy. Invisible.
Invisible.
Hurricane Blue. Hopefully she never actually turns invisible because she's hot. Next is Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Not to be confused with Nye and Mare from Magi Ranger. And then everyone's favorite X-Man.
Beast.
Beast. Yeah, the Beast memory, really cool. And now Dawson Rider is a...
Dummy.
I know, right? The memory from the movie Core War with Double and Decayed. And then we have Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Kirihiko's little sister. And then we have Zone.
Zone.
And then one we didn't actually get to see a Dopant for because they just crushed it in the finale without using it.
Edge.
Edge. The cool sword design for the E. I really like that. And then the other Dopant in the finale.
Energy.
Really cool, really cool. Love these memories. Next is one like the voice gives Dawson a hard on.
Jewel.
I know, right? Such a good singer, she can yodel. Old.
Old.
Leading to an old Shotaro trying to get the Joker memory into the driver very unsuccessfully. I still am not quite sure what the hell this is a picture of, though. Yeah, whatever. Still cool. And I guess the the memory that Yagaruma and Kageyama would have.
Hoppa!
Hoppa! Yes! That chick who ate grasshoppers. She was creepy. And then, you know, the second half of Eugene's name. Gene! I know, right? That was cool. That was Long from Geki Ranger. And then, finally, everyone's favorite, Man in Huaito.
Utopia!
That's a creepy sound. I'm sorry, that echo was creepy. And I actually said the last one because I almost forgot. The coolest one, in my opinion, because of the wings. Okay, hold on if I can get it. I got stuck in the foam insert. Quetzalcoatlus. Look at this. Like, these, it's all got the bone designs on the wings. The wings are like, I don't know, I guess rubbery kind of, but not really. Looks like, I don't know. They're bendy kind of at the tip. You wouldn't want to just like bend it back, but they're not going to break, I can tell you that. And, so let's do the sound.
Quetzalcoatlus.
Oh! Quetzalcoatlus. And then apparently, they're removable. Look at that. So this is the Quetzalcoatlus memory without the wings. Here's the wings piece, which you can attach to any of the Gaia memories that you see fit. So I can put it on Weather. He wanted to use the Quetzalcoatlus memory. Now my Weather memory has Quetzalcoatlus wings. And you can see, if I hold it this way, that they're actually stuck on there. So that's pretty neato. It's a neato burrito, if I do say so myself. Okay, seriously, I'm about to beat the piss out of Sinkin Gold and Gotta Care About. They've fallen twice already. And as of this being recorded, I just put them up like an hour ago. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I have my driver here because they can be used in the driver, from what I'm told. I haven't actually tried yet, so let's try one by itself. Let's try Terror, since he's just Big Daddy Terror. Okay, cool. So that's the sound by itself. I assume they each make the same thing, just with a different memory name. So I grabbed a memory because I need a... No, not you. I feel that I should do this with the Nasca memory. Stop it. Oh wait, I'm putting it upside down.
Nasca. Yoka.
So I'm pretty sure I'm legally obligated to do that. Let's do Smilodon, and I brought in another friend. He doesn't get much love these days. Fang. Just because Fang Smilodon seems... Yeah. Let's see, what else can we do? Let's see, let's do... I think someone asked for Old Beast. So we'll do Old Beast. So that's two of these working in conjunction. Old goes here, because I'm OCD. Beast goes here. Let's do... I was going to do Nasca Weather, but I already used Nasca once, and I don't want to, like, be a hog, so we'll do Taboo with Weather. Aha! So they went at the same time. So it looks like some of these... Weather... Okay, Weather has a silver tip. Taboo and the other gold ones have a gold tip. I don't think that matters though. The rest have that bronze tip. Let's do T-Rex Triceratops. These would be two Sentai hotties.
T-Rex Triceratops.
Let's see. We can do. Let's see. T-Rex is up here. Triceratops is there. There's so many things. And then we can spell cool things with them, since we have memories with letters on them. So, like, we can say Dawson doesn't like, and we can spell Jew. See that? No, that's rude. He's gonna get mad if I keep doing that too much. I can actually. I don't have. There's no K, huh? I have to wait for the T2 to get a K. I can't spell my name. Can I spell J? E D I. Let's do money. I like money. M. Is there an O? Old. Old will work. And N. We'll use Nasca. So let's do this. Let's see. Let's do this. Okay, so let's move the camera. Well, the computer hits the camera. Slide these. So, have your review brought to you by, let's see, by, let's pick it up, come on, there we go, Gentleman! Yeah, that was epic, right? I didn't just do that. So, anyway, that's pretty much all we're gonna do for this, because that was just fun. So, I love this set. The set's very expensive though, so if you're not like a hardcore memory dude, you probably aren't going to want to spend the money on it, but it is definitely worth it. Because, I mean, they are all show-accurate colors, they do have the multiple sounds, and they're just really cool. I'm going to be honest. I love them. You know, the pictures on them are the coolest thing ever, and I don't know, they're just epic. I love them, so I don't know what else to say. Except to check out the podcast and website, virusrangersandrambles.com, bringing you the latest Toku news in the craziest way possible. And as always, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time with something, I don't know. Okay, look, we're going to take this memory, and we're going to turn you into Dopant. Okay, like we talked about. Then, remember, you go find all the rude people, and they go, we leave bad comments on J-Mom videos. Then you get them, okay? Okay, Sierra. Ready? Okay. Wait, it didn't work! Why you didn't turn into a Dopant, Sierra? Aw, Sierra. I guess this doesn't work. Oh well. It's okay. Wait, look at the camera. Wave to camera. Wave to camera. Oh, you scared of the camera? Okay. You scared of the camera, huh? It's okay. It's okay, kitty. Look at the camera. Look at Sierra on TV. Look at the camera. Look, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, say bye-bye. You're so cute, kitty.